Unajua najificha Burna Boy asiniite pale mbele. Unajua tumelelewa pamoja. Naona akiniona ataniita pale mbele.
Wewe, hebu jifiche inama.
Man, I fucking love you guys. Thank you so much, man.
Thank you, bro.
Good night. Hold on. Yeah. That's more like it? This sign, hey, where's the camera on this shit? I want the whole crowd to see this sign right here. Yeah?
Wow, mzee mzima.
Wagwan.
Burna Boy ndani ya nyumba.
Yey.
Mzee mzima. Kadong mwenyewe. Heshima na taadhima. Kaheu mwenyewe.
Yey, what's up?
Burna Boy mwiga ineta ruriku.
Mama Sheba Kambato.
Burna Boy dia ameiba. Hey, Toxic Club ya Burna Boy.
Ai Toxic Club hiyo bote ndio wasamito.
Wow. Tugwethana.
Abaide era toa ya nira to Korea.
Somebody say Buddha. Jesus Christ, let's go. Nobody show me the dance right now. Trying to see confidence.
Jose Mourinho.
Can you let me see if you know? You never got the cell block. What?
Moja. Wanapiga jamu.
They not like us. They not like us. They not like us.
You ready? With my sexy ladies in Kenya, make some noise right now for me.
Mzee mzito Jose Mourinho mwenyewe.
Kwa foundation. Sing it.
Ile Rube.
Ile
Times.
Ajai Juma.
Already alishatoa.
Ladies, it's your turn.
Bado haijawekwa.
Let's get ready.
haijawekwa, lakini tulikuwa na wenzake akaniambia wamekuwa wakiuza. Sasa ataiweka leta. Ataisukuma.
Unafai tufanye shughuli zingine kadhaa.
Tunatafutana kabisa. Yes, Uhuru Garden ziko packed. Uhuru Garden, show ya Burna Boy, mad fun. Unaketa Cliff. Kaheu mwenyewe. Ati nini?
Champion.
Uhuru Garden ziko packed, chekini huku. Uhuru Garden ziko Jaba. Wengine wananunua huko. Aha. Cheki huko. Wakenya, ogopa Wakenya manzi. Unasemaje mzee? Fika hapa nisaidie Chris.
Oh shit! We about to turn Kenya upside down right now. What? Oh shit! Kenya, how we feeling tonight? Are we ready for the African Giants? 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Kenya, I don't think you're ready for what's about to happen right now. We got the African Giant in town!
She like the way I dance. She like the way I move. She like the way I rock. She like the way I move. She let it clap for a nigga. And she throw it back for a nigga. And she throw it back for a nigga. Like a nigga, like a nigga. Anything. She be on the door. Don't be no other doors. When you raise the boys, she like the way I move.
Tell them.
She's in love with who I am.
What?
Back in high school, I used to bust it to the day.
Now
I hit the FBO with duffels in my hands. I didn't have a Zan, 13 hours to the land.
Like a what? Like a what?
Yo, Cheyenne, what's up? Waka. Uhuru Gardens, show ya Burna Boy. Mbaya. Mbaya.
Anybody inside Kenya celebrating their birthday, can they make some noise? If it's your first birthday, put your hands in the air right now. We're going to do it correctly. Go, go, go. It's your birthday.
Event ko Uhuru Gardens, Burna Boy, ndio hiyo Bazenga.
Nikiona ndio huko. Event iko hapa Uhuru Gardens. Iko hapa kata zero of Olibet. Tunaonyesha Wakenya wamejitokeza kwa wingi.
Remember old school Mickey fans in the building right now. Okay. We're taking it R&B right now. Sing to me. You say Biggie. Let me see you remember this one.
Yeah. This the real one, baby. I'm trying to go. Shots,
2, 3, switch.
Oh, no.
Give me the old school now. Give me that. 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 Like the Lakers are getting tonight. We say.
Dance in the crib, mom, drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Walk it like it's hot. Walk it like it's hot. Walk it like it's hot.